Hello and welcome to this little tutorial on how to install the Minecraft Modpack for our Minecraft server. Let's start right into it. So the first thing that you will need is Java. It's the first link down in the description. You just want to click it and go to download. It will download the installer and there you can just click install and it will do the rest. It's pretty easy. After doing that, you want to make sure that if you have Minecraft or the Minecraft launcher open, that you close it. After that, you go to the second link in the description, which will lead you to this website, and you want to download as zip. It's right up here. You want to click it, it will download, shouldn't take too long. After it finished downloading, you want to unzip it. You can delete the other one. You want to open the folder. And in here, you want to search for Forge 1.16.1 installer. You want to double click it. Choose install client and click OK. Successfully installed client profile. You want to hit OK. Now you go to the Minecraft launcher. Make sure you have the Forge 1.16.1 that we just installed selected and hit play. Once Minecraft is started, everything that you need to do is just quit the game again. We started the game in order to create the folders that are still missing that we will need later. Now you want to select the Forge installer and the Forge installer log and delete both because we only need the mods from now on. After doing that, you want to hit Windows and R. And in here, you want to type %appdata%. Click OK or hit enter. It'll lead you to this folder. In here, you want to search for .minecraft. In here for the mods folder. In this mod folder, you want to copy all of these. You want to make sure that there are no other mods in here. If you have any other mods in here, you want to save them somewhere else for now, because otherwise it won't work. You can close both windows and now launch Minecraft again. Make sure you have the Forge selected. Now starting Minecraft may take a bit longer depending on your system because it has to load all the mods. After Minecraft started, you want to go to multiplayer, add server. For server name, you can type in whatever you want. I'm just gonna write in Huxon server, and as a server address, you want to type in huxon.minecraft server.de. DE because it's hosted in Germany. The server resource packs doesn't really matter, you can leave it how it is because we don't have one. And then you hit OK. Now you can just join on the server. And you should, oh wait, I'm not here. Okay, so you should spawn right here in this little building and you're good to go. I'm gonna do another tutorial on how to use all the mods and commands that you already saw on other servers maybe, but for now that's it, how you join the server. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like on the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.